Can you dash in different cities? Absolutely. If DoorDash operates in multiple cities, you have the flexibility to dash in different locations while traveling or moving. With DoorDash's widespread coverage across thousands of cities, you're not limited to a specific area when it comes to earning income. Many Dashers take advantage of this and enjoy dashing and earning money as they travel within their country. However, it's important to note that you cannot dash in a country outside of your country of residence. For example, if you're a dasher based in the United States, you won't be able to dash in Canada or any other foreign country. If you find yourself in a new area that is close to your most recent dashing location, you have the convenience of immediately starting a dash by selecting Dash Now, or scheduling a dash without needing to make any changes within your Dasher app. However, if you wish to dash in a completely different area that is not near your most recent dashing location, you can effortlessly update your dashing location directly within the Dasher app.